Hey, what's poppin'? It's your boy Jay the Comedian. Good morning. How are y'all doing today? Today I'm doing good. I'm feeling good. Yes. All right. So, first off, I would like to apologize about the video I made yesterday when I said that I don't know if I was fully believing the story about the woman who said her father was an elder and a police officer and also arrested the guy who did inappropriate things to her. And I would like to apologize because I found out yesterday via the comment section, all my amazing commenters, thank you for keeping me on point. Yes, it pointed out that there are police officers who are also elders and also have guns. Now, this is all new to me, okay? That's like finding out that, hi, yes, I'm a Jehovah Witness. We also, worship the devil from time to time, but it's, still Jehovah's number one. Like it didn't make sense to me when I first heard it. I was like, are you sure? That doesn't sound like any Jehovah's Witnesses I know. But now that I know better, I shall do better. And now my knowledge, I've gotten even smarter, y'all. Oh, it's dangerous now. Now I'm armed with the knowledge that you can be a Jehovah's Witness elder and you can have a gun. Okay. Anyway, today I would like to talk to you guys about the video from yesterday. Because yes, the governing body is being sued by New York, thanks to a new law called the Child Protection Act, which went into effect, and as soon as it went into effect, a lot of people been calling in like, yep, they got me too, bro. Because see, this is the thing. Even though the event or the crime or whatever may not have taken place in New York, the company is headquartered in New York. They get their instructions from New York. So if you have a case, even if you're not in New York, even if it didn't happen in New York, I advise you to gather up as much evidence as you can and reach out to the attorney. I think his name is Erwin Zalkins. Reach out to him and figure out maybe if we can start some type of class action or something, because one thing I can guarantee you is that the Watchtower will not win this case. This is a case they will not win. You got me? Like, no, it's not going to work like that for the simple fact they are trying to use as an argument the religious privilege. I think that's the name of it. Because basically, like the same way you go to a confessional, the confessional, like, priest can't be like, hi, yes, this guy came in and confessed to hurting a bunch of people. Like, no. Like, they can't do that. And since they cannot do that, the Jehovah's Witnesses are trying to piggyback on to that logic and that law as far as, like, keeping pedos hidden. But see, this is my problem. This is what really irks me about it, right? They have no problem getting up on stage and making announcements. They don't care. They don't care if it's embarrassing, if it'll rip your family apart. They don't care. They don't care. They're going to get up there and Brother Whatchacall has been disfellowshipped. Why did I do this? I don't know. I felt like he's been disfellowshipped. Like, oh, really? Like, I don't know. I don't know why I did that. But they have no problem doing that. They have no problem getting on stage. Brother such and such has been publicly reproved from the Jehovah's Witness organization. You know what else they do? Something I even forgot about that they do. They'll get on stage and say, well, I won't say any names, but somebody here has been marked as a problem in the organization. So limit your contact with this person until we say it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, they will do all of that. But what they will not do, what they will simply not do, is get on stage and say, yes, Brother Pedo or Sister Horn is marked for being inappropriate with young people. So, make sure you limit your contact, especially the contact of your children around these folks. Because that would be actually helpful. That would be a good announcement to have. I would agree with that announcement. Yes, do that. But they don't do that. They keep it hidden. Oh, this is a private matter. You know why they keep it hidden? Do you know why? I'll tell you why. You can make those other announcements because you can't get sued for defamation of character. But if you make that announcement, you can absolutely open yourself up for defamation. So instead of being bold and following God's law, they're kind of like, yeah, we'll do it as long as it, keeps us out of the courtroom. Really, true religion? That's how you do? You base your rules and regulations on whether or not you can be sued by them? Really? That's what we doing, huh? Okay. Defamation of character. We can't get sued. And that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to avoid being sued under those grounds. Because, I can imagine you go and you tell a crowd of people, hi, this person, even though we have not done any form of legitimate research, we just ask questions. You know how we do. We're going to go ahead and mark this person. You should do that, especially if you have enough evidence, even though, like I said, you got a judicial committee, but it ain't really there's no real lawyers there. There's no real attorneys there. You're not really doing an investigation. But if you do have any information, you should mark that person. I don't care if it puts you in jeopardy of being sued. Who cares? You're protecting the people, right? That's the entire reason you do all of this fellowshipping and everything else, is to keep the congregation safe and clean, right? I don't know anything that would keep the congregation safer and cleaner than to announce that, hey, we have a problem in the congregation. Like, you may not be safe physically, but we'll keep you safe spiritually. What? I don't want to hear about that, man. I don't want that brand of safe and cleanness. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you say that you're going to keep something clean and safe, you're going to actually have to do that. You got to live up to it. That's like me saying I want to keep my butt clean and safe, but at the same time, I eat Chipotle every day. You know what I'm saying? If I do that, my butt would neither be clean nor safe. As a bunch of my workmates can attest to. Oh, I eat Chipotle, I can work by myself for the rest of the day. Everybody clap. It means like that. Don't judge me. Chipotle's very delicious, especially the chicken burrito. Oh, that extra sour cream. Anyway, I'm getting off the subject. The main thing I'm talking about is the fact that the governing body will go above and beyond to be as just in your stuff, in your crap all day long. You know what I'm saying? Just in your face, in your business, just in and around everything that's going on in your life. They're just going to be there. No matter what. They make a lot of effort to do that. But even though they do all that, they can't do the simple task of reporting when somebody is a threat to you and your family. Why can't they do that? Tell me. Holler at me. I know I got a lot of JWs that watch my videos. Tell me why they can't do that, Oh, they don't know all the information. They don't. Yes, they do. They got it. They send these little blue envelopes out to them. So they know. They got them hidden. They trying to keep it private. So, hit me. Why are they doing that? This organization is so focused on keeping people clean and safe. But when given the opportunity to actually keep people physically safe, they fumble repeatedly. This is why I always say, in the middle of your worship to anything, right? What are you giving and what are they getting? You know what I'm saying? Because if you give more than you receive, then in that relationship, you are not the winning party there. If you're in a religious relationship and you find yourself giving your time, your money, your children, your youth, your happiness, you're making all these sacrifices and you're giving to your religion. What are they giving back to you? Well, we'll give you some hope. I'm like, how about this? How about you give me a warning that there's somebody dangerous in the congregation? How about that? Oh, we can't give you that. Really? So you can take this free labor to build your kingdom home. You could take every day, every weekend, going out of field service. You can take my financial donations. You can take my property if I leave it to you after I perish. You can even take the stocks and bonds I leave to the Watchtower organization. Man, you can take a whole lot, but you can't give me a nod or a little head up. Hey, that brother like touching stuff he ain't supposed to. You can't give me that? I can't get that, huh? Hey, don't trust that sister. She gets a little fingery. I can't get that hands up. I can't get that. My kids are there. Well, my kids aren't there because I'm smart enough to leave. But there are children there. There are devout people who will still to this day live and die by the organization. You don't think you owe them a little heads up as far as, hey, this person is dangerous, watch out for them? And this is another story I heard recently. Somebody was attacked, and the person that attacked them was reported, but because there was not two witnesses, he eventually became an elder. The whole thing just got swept under the rug like it never happened. You know what I'm saying? Just think about that. That means even their rules of, well, we're not going to trust them. No, you're not going to trust them if your ridiculously dumb investigation technique works. Then you won't trust them. Well, I can't believe this worked. Like, we only had the two witness rule. I can't believe we found two witnesses. You know, like, only if that works will they actually take any type of action. But if the two witness thing don't work, they will take absolutely zero action. Oh my God, man. So, reason 1,000,001 not to be a Jehovah Witness. You know, that's kind of meaning. They don't even owe you that protection. You give all that, and they can't even give you a heads up that somebody's dangerous in your presence? What happened to calling out the wolf and protecting the sheep from the wolves? I guess if the wolves is just humping the sheep, it's okay. I don't know. Anyway, it's your boy Jay the Comedian. I hope y'all having a great day. Holla at your guala. Deuces.